Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like to show you how to make I'm going to use some Italian sausages and ground beef together, and we're going to make it into two types of sauce for you today. One is going to be a meat sauce, which combines the two, and another one I'm going to surprise you. Let me let you know that a little later, okay? All right. Okay, so let's start on the Italian sausage and ground beef meat sauce right now. All right, let's do it. And by the way, hit that like button if you like it. Hit the like button, okay? If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you. Please subscribe, okay? And share the video. Let other people know the goodness. Let's face it, you can share it for free. Why not? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the Italian sausage in the frying pan that I have heating up. I'm just going to move this around to make sure nothing's sticking. Okay, I'm going to sanitize my counter and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's put some seasonings on it, alright? I'm going to use some Larry's seasoning salt. And pepper. And let's see. Okay, I think that's it. Alright, I'm going to cover that and let that cook for about 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been cooking, the sausages has been cooking for about 20 minutes with a cover on it. Let's take a temperature. Oh, we're past 165, 167, we're done. So let's take it out. I'm putting it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil off. Okay, I'm going to cut that off and I'm going to clean the frying pan and then we're going to start with the ground beef and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef and I have a drop of grapeseed oil in the frying pan. So we're going to add the beef to the frying pan. I'm going to cut the fire off a minute till I break this up. You notice the frying pan is not hot. You don't hear it sizzling. Okay, now I want to add my seasonings. I add milk to my ground beef to break down the fat and get it softer. Just a little. Okay, I think that was maybe 3 tablespoons of milk. 3 to 4 tablespoons. Alright, and let me see. I think I want to add my Grandma Ray seasoning. You add what seasoning you have at your house or what you want to use. I'm still testing out my seasoning that I made here myself, and to see how I can perfect it. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up with the milk, seasoning and the milk together. And I can't emphasize enough, guys, that you need to really use like a lot of seasoning to bring the flavor out. Some people put a drop and then you say, oh, mine tastes bland. Well, yeah, you're going to put a lot of seasoning on it, okay? Alright, I'm going to put a little more now that I stirred that in. Alright. I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to turn the fire on. Get this started. Got the fire on 6, the number 6 on the stove. Okay, we're going to let that cook. We're going to put a top on it. Okay, that's probably going to cook around 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Alright, so I'll be back in a few minutes with you, okay? Okay, so our ground beef has been cooking maybe 7-8 minutes. I'm just going to break it up, turn it over. I have one medium fine chopped onion that I'm going to add to it now. I'm going to put it right in the middle. Let that onion cook for a few minutes. And the onion is for flavor, okay? Okay, how about that? Okay, while that's cooking, let me give you the word of the day, okay? You know the difference between right and wrong. You know you do, okay? I'll tell you how you know the difference. The difference is when you do something wrong, you know it. It's on your mind, it's in your conscience, it's eating at you. You know, it seems like it keeps popping in your head. That's when you know you did wrong. When you do something right, you know it. You feel good about it. You're happy about it. You can see somebody else blessed from it. It just sits right with you. It's not, you're not worried about it. Okay? So it's better, health-wise, to do something right than to do wrong. Okay? So you can practice that. It's a practice thing. Okay? We don't always get everything right, and we don't always get everything wrong. But what we can do is try to do everything right. Try. And don't deliberately do anything wrong. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay, let's look at the ground beef. Okay, so we got our onion just cooking away in the middle here. Now I'm going to mix it with the ground beef. Oh, I can smell it now. Okay, let me take a taste, see if I'm missing something. I'm missing some pepper. Alright, I'm going to add back in my Italian sausage that I had previously cooked. Okay, and I'll be right back. I'm going to cut that off. Okay guys, we got to put a little ketchup here. I already put 1 can of tomato sauce in here. This is the second can of tomato sauce. And I'm thinking I'm going to put a half a can of diced tomatoes. Half a can. We'll see how that looks. I'm putting it right over the sausage and the ground beef. Same frying pan, okay? And I took the oil out. Okay, this is basil. Adding to it. Let's go with that's about 6 tablespoons of basil. And I want to do a little garlic. Ground garlic. And let's mix that in. I'm mixing the sauce right on the top before I add it into the ground beef totally. Okay, now mix it all together. And I know you say, well, you know, she's putting it in the same frying pan. She didn't even wash that pan. No, I don't want to wash it. I want the flavor from the beef and the sausage to be in the sauce. That's why you don't wash it. You pour the grease out, but you don't wash the frying pan. Okay? Okay, I want to taste that. See what I'm missing. I'm missing everything. It's bland, bland, bland. Okay, let me put the rest of these basils in here. That's another, I'd say 4 tablespoons of basil. I need a lot of garlic. Okay. And some pepper. Oh, no. My pepper opened on the other side. Oh, I got a whole clunk of pepper in here, guys. You see how I can get that out. One thing I can do is take that and throw it away. the pot that I'm getting out. If not, it will be just too spicy with the pepper. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let me see how that tastes. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire on. Let that cook a little bit, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so the Italian sausage and ground beef sauce is done. The only other thing that I added that you didn't see is I added 2 packs of sugar substitute, 2 packs, and I added some salt. Okay, and this is mini farfalle that I cooked in another setting. You can go over and check that out. So I'm going to add the Italian sausage and ground beef sauce over the pasta, and I'm going to take a taste for you. How about that? Okay, let me get one more piece so it looks even. Okay, there we go. And let you take a look at that. Okay, and let me get a picture. How about that, huh? Yeah? Okay, and let me take a taste. So I'm using a bowl because this is little mini pieces of pasta, so I don't really need a big plate. And the plate is hot, so I'm going to put that down. I like it. Go over and check out the pasta. This pasta is awesome. It has garlic salt on it. It's mini farfalle. Okay? Now let me taste the sausage. Take a bite. Mmm. It's still juicy. That's how you want it. Bye-bye. Share the video. Hit the like button. I'll talk to you next time, okay? And the surprise that I told you about, I'm going to do that on another video. So stay tuned for that, okay? Bye-bye.